So hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmama, and this is the last of my reviews. Okay, I just had so much on my plate that I couldn't do them all, so I just figured I'd catch up today. Anyway, that being said, I got the Personal Alarm, and it's got all different colors. I got 5 of these, because I give them to my family. I think I got 5. Yeah. So I got black, and then I have silver. I'll put them back in as I get them. Give them for Christmas presents and give them for birthday presents. I gave one to my oldest daughter who was here this week, the weekend rather. And then I've got purple, and then I've got blue, and I'll show you how this one works. A lot of you probably know, but some of you might not know. It actually does work, and it works real good. It's got the instructions in each one of the packages. And all you do is pull this one out. And that's the alarm. And these are instructions that come. So you've seen these before, but like I said, I gave them to my oldest daughter who was here this weekend for her niece. Oh, my granddaughter. This is the youngest granddaughter. That's the youngest granddaughter. She was in a competition this week. Their band came in first, and their choir came in second place. So they had a bunch of awards. I was so proud of her. And I couldn't go, but my daughter did, so that was good. And then I got this to review. Sometimes they just send me stuff, and I don't know why they send it to me, but they do. But this I got for my granddaughter, actually. This is the crystals. That's a light. And this is small. I thought it would be bigger, but it comes in all lights in all different colors and everything. So I thought this would be little, and that would be for her bedroom. So I got that. And then I got always got some vitamins, and these are ashwagandha. This is also for her. This is ashwagandha, and it's organic ashwagandha with black pepper, actually. So, and then I got two journals, classic notebooks. I got 2 in a pack. I got one for me and one for Angel. Angel loves notebooks. And then I forgot I was going to get this too. This is a little stir. And take it out of the package so you can look at it. I think this calls for a battery, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it calls for a battery. But you press this up here and then it stirs. It's nice when you don't feel like lifting out your hand mixer and or your big. I have a big mixer, not the big one I gave to my granddaughter because it was a KitchenAid, but it was so heavy, and I got a smaller mixer. Anyway, I got some more gloves. I had my gloves on earlier today, a pair of them, and they're good. They're good. I don't feel as much pain in my hand. I'm going to try it overnight just to see how they are if my hands are stiff when I wake up in the morning. But the only thing you can't do, you can't, of course, wash dishes in them. You can't cook with them. You know what I mean? You can't do any of that. But you can wear them around for everything else. Of course, you can't go to the bathroom with them because you have to wash your hands. So try these on and see how these fit. Well, they fit good. They really do fit good. So like I said, I'm going to try them again. And then the other pair, and then sleep with them, and then I'll probably come back Thursday or Friday. What I didn't feel, because a couple of people asked me, because I said that they had never heard of them, and a couple of people said they heard of them, but they wanted them to know whether they worked or not. And I don't have a tight grip on your hand. But my hand does feel better then. So what else I got? I got the watercolor brush paint with a bonus water brush pen. And I got 20 watercolor brush paints. And then I got this little tray inside right there. See it? And then I got a sketch pad. So I thought that was good. And I got that for because my grands go through. I loved it. And then I got, and I was really worried that it might be too big, but it really isn't. I got a plant light. Here's all the paraphernalia and the plug. So this is a plant light, and I guess I'm gonna hang it over here. I don't know. We'll see. Let me get it out first so that you can see it. So this is the light. And when I put my plants, because I'm going to do my plants, I got stuff to do my plants, I'll put it on, I'll put it someplace, and then I'll have you see that as well. Because that should go really, really good. I'm thinking. Anyway. Okay. And then I got some apricot shells and bamboo scrub. And then I got these for my granddaughter for her bed. Okay, this is queen size and it's a Bedshore. It's 1600 Platinum Collection and it's queen size and doesn't say what the count is. And I really don't care what the count is. I don't really care what the count is. I just think it's cute. I got little bears on there. So I got that for my granddaughter. I'll give her that tomorrow. Then, last but not least, I got this for me to review. And I was shocked because they asked me to review this. And I was like, yeah, I'll do it. Can you see that? It's a food dehydrator. I'm not going to take it off the box because I'm in the living room. I'll just kind of open it. If I can, yeah. So it's standing on the side. So you can see it inside the box. And let's see it. Fast, easy way to make delicious, healthy, and natural snacks, such as banana chips, fruit roll-ups, beef jerky. 5 durable plastic trays. Adjustable thermostat allows you to dry different foods at proper temperature, and superior advanced horizontal airflow drying system. And I had one of these, okay, and it was actually at the school. Because I was going to do a project with my kids when I came back on summer vacation, and the woman, she's probably not there anymore. Anyway, she saw it and threw it away, and she had no even business being in my office, but people do that. But anyway, I guess that's it. Let me just make sure I didn't forget anything. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. That's it for me for tonight. Hopefully tomorrow everything goes well, God willing. I will be on with some cooking because I've got like a list of things to do for cooking. Anyway, I love you. Take care. God bless. Good night. Bye-bye.